me. Almost standing in water. Outside. You like the Weather Channel, dude. Taking it from my baby. Anything else? Anybody? Anybody? What? Hail. Oh my God. Hail just hit me right in my balls. I was like, who threw something at me? Check the hail out. Oh shit. I mean, hail bounced and hit me right in the nuts. It hurt. Look at this. Look at the hail. Oh shit. I mean, car alarms going off. Holy shit. Holy shit. I'm standing here. I feel like somebody threw something at me. Hit me right in the nuts. Oh my God. Listen to the hail. I hope my car doesn't get hurt. I mean, car alarm going off. Hail hitting shit. I mean, this is why it was white. Can you believe I'm standing back by the door and the hail has hit me in the nuts? Oh, good God, it is fucking coming down now. Holy shit. Oh my God. Wow. Yep. I mean, car alarms going off. It didn't like the hail. There's your rug, baby. Oh my God. Have you seen this much water? It's flowing back, flowing heavy. More hail. Just got hit again with hail. Holy shit. Look at that. Oh my God. I've never seen water come back this far behind the rug before. Yeah. I wonder if we're slowing down now. Well, somewhat. Lightning. I mean, looks like a river. Might break out the kayak on the parking lot. Yeah, I think that was the worst of it. Well, that'll be fun to watch. There's your rug, baby. Still hail. Feet. Look, water came that far up into the patio. Standing in hail. Standing. Okay, I see it brightening in the distance. Okay. Ooh, that was lightning. Love you.